How to fix verification code not sending on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can fix verification code not sending on Roblox. In order to fix verification code not sending on Roblox, so there are basically different reasons why this kind of issue occurs. So in order to fix it as well, there are multiple different ways. If you're unable to get or receive a verification code, so first of all, what you can do is if you have tried for several times, then it might be the reason. So this might be one of the reasons why you're unable to receive the verification code. So it might seem that there is a suspicious activity in your account, so that's the reason why you're unable to receive the verification code. So for that, what you can do is you can simply wait for 24 hours, and after that you might get the verification code. And if that does not seem to be working out, then what you can do is you can simply go ahead and tap the resend button, which is right at the bottom, one more time, and might be able to fix the issue. Sometimes you can also go ahead and check your spam or trash folder, so you can go ahead and check your email as well. If that does not seem to be working out, then you can simply enable a VPN. You can use any VPN, whichever is convenient for you. For my case, I've used VPN USA. So this particular feature, after you enable your VPN, you can restart your blocks and tap the resend code button, and that's going to be able to fix the issue. If enabling a VPN also doesn't seem to be working out, then you can directly go ahead and contact the support team. So for that, you need to go to your web browser and then type in roblox.support.com. And this is gonna take you to the Roblox support center page. Right over here, go ahead and select the date of birth according to your account and tap the next button. After that, you need to type in your username, first name, that's optional, your email address associated with your Roblox. In order to confirm it, type in twice. And for the issue details, you need to tap the arrow icon and select where you're actually having the issue with. In my case, I'm having an issue with Android phone, and you need to type the help category or the type of trouble that you're facing. You need to go ahead and tap on technical support. To be specific, go ahead and tap the arrow icon and just go ahead and select specific experience issue. And after that, you can just go ahead and type in your detailed information about the issue. So you can just type in that you're unable to receive a verification code, this and that might be able to fix, and click the submit button. And as soon as you've done that, the request will be sent, and it's going to take usually 24 to 48 hours in order to look into your matter. And after that, you'll be receiving an instruction on how you can actually fix your issue. So these were some of the methods on how you can fix your verification code not sending issue on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.